Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. Today's our topic is Contributor Personality Development Program. The subject code is 3150004. 3150004 is the subject code of Contributor Personality Development Program in semester 5. And now we are going further with the what is the meaning of personality. As you all know that, first of all, you must be aware of what is personality. A man comes, you know he is well learned, his language is beautiful, and he speaks to you by the hour, but he does not make any impression. Another man comes and he speaks a few words, not well arranged, ungrammatical perhaps. All the same, he makes an immense impression. Many of you have seen that. So it is evident that words alone cannot always produce an impression. Words alone cannot produce an impression. Words, even thoughts, contribute only 1/3 of the influence in making an impression. So the unit number 1, let's be going to start the contributor work deal. This is the title of unit 1, the contributor work deal. First of all, who is a contributor? Whom we say कि हम contributor किसे कहेंगे? What are the qualities of a contributor? How they differ from non-contributors? Who is your idol of work? Sometimes you have to ask to your own self, who is your idol of work? Traits of a contributor. These are all the traits of a contributor: positive attitude, self-confidence, helpful by nature, always takes responsibility, always takes responsibility, and values others. We have to value others. Like wherever we are going to study, wherever we work, we never to be think about on ourselves. We also think about organization or company. How can we go forward with our all colleagues? These are the traits of a contributor: positive attitude, self-confidence, helpful by nature, and always takes responsibilities and value others. Today I am going to share you an example. Contributors, one example. The contributor teacher is concerned about bringing out the best in each student. The best in each student. Such a teacher cares about the future of every student. Such a teacher cares about the future of every student and whether they have built confidence in this subject. और क्या उसके अंदर confidence subject में आ रहा है कि नहीं. Next, traits of a non-contributor. These are the traits of a non-contributor. Focuses on I and not we. Traits of a non-contributor. These are the traits of a non-contributor. They are all focuses on I. वो I पे ही focus करेगा, not we. Means के we हम सब साथ में, not colleagues or employees or friends. Relies mostly on others. हमेशा दूसरों पे वो depending है. Introvert and selfish behavior. These are the traits of a non-contributor. Introvert and selfish behavior. Selfish यानी कि the non-contributor government official is indifferent and does not bother to find a solution to the common citizens of problem. Such officials may do their duty and follow rules, but may take a common citizen run around from pillar to post. They don't care whether the work gets delayed and people find the interaction painful. वो क्या कहेंगे कि आई एम वेरी बिजी राइट नाउ, प्लीज चेक अगेन इन 2 weeks टाइम. वो सो दे आर नॉट टेकिंग देयर वर्क एज अ कि नहीं मुझे ये करना ही है, इट्स माई ड्यूटी. एंड अ पर्सन इज नॉट हैविंग अ सेल्फिश बिहेवियर. Take all the credit of tasks which he has not done. जबकि फ्रेंड्स और कलीग्स और सब साथ में कर रहे, ऑल द एम्प्लॉयज़ एंड कलीग्स दे हैव डन द वर्क, सेटिस्फेक्शन को लास्ट में मिलता है, बट अ पर्सन हु इज टेकिंग द क्रेडिट, नो ये मैंने ही किया है, इट इज़ अ ट्रेड्स ऑफ अ नॉन कंट्रीब्यूटर. So a person will take the credits of all the works which he has not done. This is the traits of a non-contributor. I am the only who could this. Here I focus on I, means के वो कह रहा है non-contributor is a person who takes the credit of all the work which he has not done and take the whole credit and which he has not done, not prove by doing his work. Who is a contributor? First of all, you must be aware of who is a contributor. Contributor is a person who helps, supports, contributes others in every possible way. Contributor is the person who helps, जो help करता है, support करता है and contributes others in every possible way. जो भी हो सके, नहीं he is my nearest and anyone else. अगर मैं उसको इफ़ इज़ द एनी वे आई एम गोइंग टू सपोर्ट हिम, नहीं उसको मुझे उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. सेल्फलेस एंड ऑलवेज डेडिकेटेड टू वर्क. अ पर्सन इज ऑलवेज सेल्फलेस, नहीं वो सेल्फिश होगा, एंड ऑलवेज डेडिकेटेड टू वर्क. अ पर्सन इज ऑलवेज डेडिकेट वर्क, रेगुलरिटी होगी उसमें, नीट एंड क्लीन होगा वो. ही अंडरस्टैंड्स द वैल्यूज ऑफ वर्क, ही अंडरस्टैंड्स the values of the work whatever is given by his boss or colleagues, rather than just completing in vain. नहीं कि उसको just rather than just I have to complete here and then, no, not to do the, a person will take his work sincerely and complete the work on time. He understands the values of the work rather than just completing in vain. He has a dynamic identity. A person who has a dynamic identity and believes that completing the task is a responsibility rather than a routine. A person is taking a dynamic identity. उसका performance ऐसा होगा, wherever this type of person is, like a contributor, they always left one impression in the mind of others, that and he believes that completing the task, whatever that is given by him to him or her, is a responsibility rather than a routine. वो routine नहीं है, but someone has put the confidence on him or her that he must have to complete his work by being honestly and be punctual in time. Today I am going to share you one example of cricketer teams. The contributor team member always puts the team's success before personal success. Such team members are committed to the large purpose and don't let personal egos come in the way. They never come personal egos in the team, along with the team members. Wherever they are doing many activities, many exercise and many routine works, but they will never ever do this type of beliefs and such type of thinkings. So a contributor is a person who helps, supports, contributes others in every possible way, selfless and always dedicated to work. He understands and values of work rather than just completing it. Just मुझे करना है, just sake of doing. No. He has a dynamic identity and believes that completing the task is a responsibility rather than a routine. Thank you very much all.